Hey everybody, great to be back. My name is Dominic. I'm the expansion manager at gridX. gridX is building the leading platform for the new energy age. Look at the market, and what we see is that it's completely moving from a centralized to a decentralized energy market with a lot of distributed energy resources such as solar, energy storage, and charging stations. What we do is, as they are not able to communicate with each other, we are unifying all of them on one platform, enable an efficient energy management, and integrate every single device efficient into the energy market. And we did great so far. Founded in 2016, we got a fast-growing numbers of customers, including the biggest utilities that we have in Europe, including the biggest automotive players that we have here in Germany, and so on and so on. Our platform is always B2B to X, so we help our customer, our clients, so that they are ready for everything the future holds and offer the best solution to their private customers, to the consumers, but also to business customers. We are fast-growing company. That's what I told you, and the train is literally leaving the stations. We got a 4x growth since the foundation and made our first million in revenue last year. We plan to continue the 4x growth now for 2020. We are the first company that introduced an all-new technology coming from cloud computing. You know this technology from players like Amazon or Netflix, and what we did is we brought this technology, this IT architecture, that software stack on a system, on an embedded system that has the size of my hand, and this is called the gridbox. So this is what we first introduced as first company into the energy market, and that's what makes us so flexible and intelligent. The gridbox is collecting 2.5 million data points per day and sends it into XENON. XENON is our backend. And that's where the magic happens. Here is where the place where we are designing solutions with and for our customers. We can control entire homes, control commercial buildings. We are building the biggest smart district in Germany next year, and everything is already signed and in place. So talking about the smart charging solution today, what we see is that the existing grid hasn't been made for electric mobility. So it's hard. If you want to install charging stations behind one single breaker box, right, the main breaker box, then you will definitely exceed the available capacity if you only install 5 charging stations. So a current solution to this is to buy a bigger transformer, and this is super expensive. Once you have installed every single charging stations, your demand charges will increase significantly, and that's super expensive. We all know the duck curve, and we know when every single car is coming back at 8 p.m., they want to be charged, and if they do it at the same time, then your demand charges, I can tell you, they will skyrocket. The best solution really for this is gridX Smart Charging. What we do is we have a local controller, the gridbox that I introduced to you already, which can control all the charging stations which are behind the meter. And that's what we do, completely agnostic from manufacturer. We're also overseeing the available capacity at the main breaker panel in real time. So your benefits are more charging points on existing grid infrastructure and saving a lot of your operational costs, right? We can protect you from overloading the entire system, and that's what all the other dynamic load management systems which you come across these days cannot do, because they don't have the gridbox. They don't have that local edge computer. I'm happy to give you more information about the key technology for the future of the energy market, because the future, and that's the most important information, is not electricity, it's data.